In order for locations to appear during the booking process, you need to connect them with the employees. Choose the default location for each employee and also choose locations for each working period to create unique schedules. Let me give you an example so you can see exactly how this works. On my locations page, you can see that I have created 3 different locations. Now let's go to my booking website. Only 2 of my locations are shown here under the Locations tab. This is because I haven't connected that 3rd location to any employee. So I'm gonna go back to Employees and click Edit Employee to change it. I can set the default location for my employee under Employee Info. You can choose only one default location for one employee. If we go to the booking website, you'll see that now all 3 locations are here. Great. But what if I have employees working in 2 or more of my locations on different days? I'll set this up here under the Working Hours tab. So let's say my employee is working on my location number 1 on Mondays and Tuesdays. I'll click the Edit button for Monday and choose location 1. I'm gonna do the same for Tuesday. For the rest of the working days, I'll select location 2. You can also do this for different periods during the same day by clicking Add Period. Finally, Trafft allows you to select 2 or more locations for the same working period. I hope this guide helps you see how Trafft easily adapts to support you and your business, no matter the industry you operate in. You get to personalize your account so that the booking process meets the exact needs of your business. Be sure to stay tuned for more videos and subscribe to our YouTube channel, or visit trafft.com and try it out for free. Thank you for watching.